Is there any recourse if someone disagrees with this and they know that their neighbor across the way is getting ready to sign one of these leases?
There is. One of the problems with land use issues as solar has developed is that most people look at this as a political issue. They're going to go down to their local government and say, hey, we don't want this and you need to stop it. But it's really not that easy. It's actually a quasi-judicial hearing at the local government level where they take testimony. There are certain criteria that have to be met in order to approve or disapprove or reject an application. And so what's happened up to this point is that most local communities are caught unawares of just how specific and technical these arguments are. The solar companies come in, they have a team of professional experts, lawyers who've done this before, they have a playbook to work from. The folks who are fighting against it often don't know what they're even in store for. So they can win at the local level. If the local government rejects the special use permit, the developer then can appeal that to Superior Court. And there have been a number of cases where the local governments have been upheld at the Superior Court level. But there have been a string of cases now where once it's appealed to the Court of Appeals, it gets overturned. And so there are some counties now that are trying to determine what they're going to do in response to that, whether they're going to try to continue to fight it or just let it go. But basically, the courts are looking at these things as very fact-based evidence, and there's a certain specific legal definition of the kinds of evidence they can look at. And oftentimes they're saying the local folks just didn't meet that bar.